Fresh, ripe, firm, and juicy strawberries. Imagine those sweet flavors mingling with fluffy chiffon cake and light cream. It's no wonder Vizco's strawberry shortcake is one of the most popular desserts you should try when in Baguio City. Jackie Vizcocho Dizon started Vizco's in 2004 with a one-page menu. In that same year, she came up with a simple recipe for their now famous strawberry shortcake. The cake was created simply because she wanted to showcase the best of what Baguio had to offer, and without a doubt, strawberries are one of them. Vizco's strawberry shortcake is a simple chiffon cake made with ripe and juicy strawberries sourced from the highlands of Benguet. Light, subtly sweet, and satisfying. It's hard not to ask for a second slice. Vizco's produces around 200 to 300 cakes daily, and during the holidays, their staff churns out thousands of cakes. Fresh, light, and flavorful. This is what their strawberry shortcake is all about, according to Jackie Dizon. And when in Baguio, don't miss the chance to get your hands on a slice or a whole cake.